Good Saturday morning, guys, from the elevator here. WEIDER360. We are now going to a town in Bulgaria called Stara Zagora. We're gonna scan an entire stadium. I've brought the DJI Matrice 4E, DJI Matrice 30T, and we are traveling with a friend who has the DJI Matrice 4T. Okay, so a lot of equipment. Let's get started. Okay, so let's get all the equipment out. First we have the DJI Matrice 4E for mapping the stadium. Then we have the Matrice 4T for doing a thermal inspection of the stadium. Then we have the Matrice 30T also to do a thermal inspection and just to play a bit around with it. So that was it with the drones. And this is a tripod. And let me show you the 360 camera we're gonna use for the virtual tour. Okay, so just a second. Yeah, okay, so this is the Matterport Pro 2 we're gonna use for the virtual tour, right under the shelter you can see there. So let's get started. Okay, so now we are both scanning. Dimitri, you can see with the drone here, and I. Dimitri is with the DJI Matrice 4T. Here it is, above me, and I'm with the DJI Matrice 4E. So we will create a high quality 3D photogrammetry model of this entire roof of the stadium here, and also some thermal images, and that we can use for a report. Okay, so now you can see the drone is up there, and I'm not doing anything. I'm just holding the controller. The drone is doing everything itself. I use the automatic smart 3D capture. So the drone now captures around 10,000 images. And then after that, we will throw the images into a nice 3D software and get a very, very accurate 3D model. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, so now we are just taking a couple of 360-degree panoramas from the top of the stadium, okay? So the engineering firm at the end of the day can see exactly what the current state of the stadium is and if it needs restoration. Okay, so what are the clear benefits of scanning this stadium behind me with a drone? Well, firstly, we have speed, because right now the drone is scanning thousands of images automatically. It's basically capturing 2 images per second, which means that in a very little time frame we can capture a lot of images, which means a lot of data. Okay, so in a couple of hours we can scan this building completely from all sides and then process it. So another benefit worth noting is accuracy, because we have RTK drones, and with them we collect very accurate georeferenced data, which can be used for very accurate measurements and stuff, and the client can get a very nice idea of how large the space we scanned is and how it looks. So from visualization, it is also very, very strong.